Okay, children. So I think we would have enjoyed doing all these sums together, right? Now, before beginning to the next set of sums, we will be quickly recapping on what the subtraction is. You would have learnt it in your previous standard as well, right? So, we will just have a short recap of what is subtraction all about. So, where have you heard this term, children? Subtraction. What do you mean by the term subtraction? Subtraction, which means that a big value we are bringing down, we are breaking down to a small number. Okay. For example, I have say 5 balls with me. Okay. And now my friend asked me for 2 balls. Okay. So what happens now? I am having 5 balls with me and my friend suddenly asked me to give her 2 balls. So what will I do now? I have to share what I have with me. I cannot go and purchase a new thing for her, right? I need to share what I have. So what I did, I have given my 2 balls to my friend. So what is the balance which is remaining with me now? 1, 2 and 3. I have just 3 balls with me, right? So first I had 5 and then I shared 2 and this will give me the answer 3. So I have 3 balls with me right now. Yes. So in this case, this is called as my minus symbol. So whenever we do a subtraction, whenever you see this symbol, you have to keep in mind that we are going to subtract now. Okay. And this, as I said earlier, this is my equal to symbol, which means that this will deliver me the answer. Clear? And this is called as subtrahend. Okay. This is called as my subtrahend. And this answer is called as my difference. Okay. Fine. So in addition, we learned that these two numbers are called as my addend and the answer which I get is called as my sum. Whereas in difference, the numbers are called as subtrahend and the answer or the value which I get is called as my difference. Clear, children? Now coming to the properties. So the first property is the same as my addition. Any number when subtracted with 0 will give me the number itself. Okay. So any number when subtracted with 0 will give me the number itself. For example, 5 minus 0 will be 5. 100 minus 0 will be 100. 990 minus 0 will be 990. Okay. So in all the cases, whatever number I will be subtracting with 0 will give me the number itself. But unlike addition, you cannot reverse the number. In addition, we saw that we can swap the numbers. The first can go to the second position and the second can come to the first position. The answer will not remain, will not get affected, right? Whereas in subtraction, we cannot do that. You cannot change the position of the numbers. They have to be in their respective numbers because we are minusing the number, we are bringing down the number. So if you shuffle the position, the answer will definitely change. So here interchange of number is not possible. Okay, that is the second property. Interchange of numbers will vary the answer. Hence, it's not possible. Okay. So, you cannot swap the numbers. You cannot interchange the number, because if you interchange the numbers, the difference value will not be the same. It will be different. Okay. So, that is the second property of addition. I am sorry, subtraction. The third one says any number when subtracted with 1 will give its predecessor. Okay. So, what do you mean by the term predecessor, children? A number which comes immediately before the given number, right? For example, 5 minus 1 is 4. 100 minus 1, 99. 1000 minus 1, 999. So, the number when it is subtracted with 1 will give its immediate number which comes before, or it gives its predecessor. Okay. So, these are the basic rules or the basic properties which we have to keep in mind while solving the subtraction questions. Clear? So, shall we proceed further with new set of questions, children? Are you all ready to solve the subtraction questions?